have to ask you the burning question in many people's hearts, which is, so what is happening around us? Because I'm sure even in your lifetime, in this lifetime of yours, you may not have seen a situation like this. Why is this happening, sir? What world are we heading into? I would just like to know whatever you're thinking about this whole situation. The COVID-19 coronavirus
The
situation, I mean.
COVID-19 situation is a very peculiar situation. Now, uh, but there is some good thing also happening because of this situation. It's not all 100% bad. The good thing is the nature is rejuvenating itself. Now
Hmm.
we know we can lock ourselves down for some time, which
Hmm. Hmm.
mankind never even dreamt or thought we could do it.
Yes, sir.
In fact, I recommended to world leaders that we should have a planned lockdown every year for 1 week
Hmm.
and allow nature to rejuvenate. See, Mumbai, you have dolphins coming into the shore. I'm sure you all would have been thrilled by listening to that. And there are peacocks on the street, and weathers have changed. Bangalore weather has never been so good. So, since last 50 years, I know when we were kids, we had such a beautiful weather here. We never
Yes, sir.
needed an air condition or even a fan.
Yes, sir.
Anytime throughout the year. Now, today, that type of weather has returned.
Hmm.
You could see
100%.
Himalayas very clearly from many cities of Punjab and Jammu and Kashmir. Water got itself, the rivers have become better. Ganges and Jamuna have much purer water now. Look at look at the way and then chidiya aa gayi hai. You see, in
Yes,
Delhi,
sir.
there are sparrows in the city. These all the signs of nature coming back to ourselves. This is very
Yes, sir.
good. We got such a pure quality of air now. Number one.
Yes, sir.
Second is people always complain everywhere in the world. I don't get time. I don't get time. Now nature gave you lot of time. Okay, you have lot of time, sit and do all those which you have been you have been postponing and not wanting to do. Third thing is you got time to spend with your intimate family, close family.
Yes, sir.
So there is more bonding, there is more, a sort of thing. And one good thing is, see, we are living in the age of technology. We have internet, we have cell phones, we still are connected. Though there is lockdown, we are connected with the whole world. Suppose the same thing has happened some 20 years back, just imagine what would have been the situation, right?
Yes,
Of
sir.
course, this has hard hitting impact on daily wage workers and people, small time business people. Yes, many businesses have been really disrupted now. But this is nothing short of a world war.
Hmm.
After World War, during World War, after World War, everything goes to gets flattened, and you have to rebuild it. No, we have to come up with this new spirit of rebuilding the economy.
Yes,
And
sir.
now is not the time for competition, but for cooperation. Cooperate,
Hmm.
help each other, come together and rebuild the economy. This is the challenge we have. And soon I am sure this fear of COVID will go away. It will be there for some
Okay.
time, another 6 months to 1 year, people will still have fear. Once a medicine is being found for it, it's like common cold, then people won't worry about it.
Yes, sir. So, what kind of world are we heading into? Are you optimistic about it? Are you positive about the world we are heading into? Or are you somewhere a little bit nervous in terms of, oh my God, maybe some men might fail their tests again?
No, I'm very realistic about it. I see
Okay.
things are going to be better, and you know the world will think differently now.
In what way? Can you give examples of how you think.
Yeah, see this COVID, this virus, which is less than 2 grams, little over 1 gram, could bring the entire world to stand still. People have to wake up and see what is that we have done.
Hmm.
Huh? Where
Oh,
are we heading? What is the priority? You know, any one thing that a person does somewhere in China can affect the entire globe. Then we cannot ignore these things, that how strong we are all connected. So we have to
100%
take
so.
care of ourselves and see no untoward experiments like this can happen anywhere in the world. If it is a natural phenomena, it is different. But if it is a man-made phenomena, the ethics committee of the United Nations will wake up and put their foot and say, we cannot do such things.